Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so we know the stagnation temperature can be equal to T times 1 plus K minus 1 over 2 times MA squared. So we know the temperature T is given as 236.15 Kelvin. And the specific heat ratio of the air is 1.4. And we know the Mach number is given as 1.1. So now let's plug in back to the equation to determine the stagnation temperature in this case, which is equal to 236.15 Kelvin multiplied by 1 plus 1.4 minus 1 over 2 and then times 1.1 squared. And this will give us the stagnation temperature is about 293 Kelvin. And this is the answer for this question.